Ever feel like your money's playing hide and seek, and you're always the one searching? You're not alone. In a world of endless subscriptions, unexpected bills, and the constant temptation of that add to cart button, keeping track of your finances can feel like a full-time job. But what if there was a way to bring clarity to the chaos, a tool that acts like your personal financial sidekick? That's where Pocketguard comes in, and the reason why so many people are saying goodbye to financial stress and hello to peace of mind. So, what's the secret sauce? Why has Pocketguard become the go-to budgeting app for a growing number of users? It boils down to a few key ingredients, starting with its intuitive design. Let's be honest, many budgeting apps look like they were designed by accountants for accountants. Pocketguard, on the other hand, boasts a clean, user-friendly interface. Connecting your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts is a breeze, and once linked, the app automatically categorizes your transactions. No more manually sifting through endless lists trying to remember what that random $25 charge was for. But Pocketguard is more than just a pretty face. It's got brains too. One of its standout features is its In My Pocket calculation. This isn't just showing you your bank balance, it's a smart, real-time snapshot of the money you actually have available to spend after taking into account your recurring bills, subscriptions, and savings goals. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly how much wiggle room you have, preventing those dreaded "oops, I overspent" moments. Speaking of bills, Pocketguard makes managing them incredibly simple. It provides a clear overview of upcoming bills, sends reminders so you never miss a payment, and even helps you identify potential savings by highlighting recurring expenses you might have forgotten about or could negotiate. Imagine the relief of knowing exactly when your bills are due and having a clear picture of how they fit into your overall financial landscape. Then there's the budgeting aspect. While some budgeting apps can feel restrictive and complicated, Pocketguard offers a flexible and visual approach. It allows you to set spending limits for different categories, like groceries, entertainment, and transportation, and then shows you in real time how you're tracking against those limits. The visual representation, often using color-coded bars, makes it easy to see at a glance where your money is going and where you might need to dial things back. Beyond the core features, Pocketguard also offers insights into your spending habits. It can identify trends, highlight areas where you might be overspending, and even suggest potential savings opportunities. This isn't about judgment, it's about empowerment. It's about giving you the information you need to make informed decisions about your money and work towards your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or simply feeling more in control. And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with knowing where your money is going. In today's fast-paced world, financial stress can take a significant toll on our well-being. Pocketguard acts as a silent partner, constantly working in the background to provide clarity and control, freeing up your mental energy to focus on the things that truly matter. It's about moving from a place of financial anxiety to one of financial confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.